Senator Alan Peter Cayetano raised concerns over the alleged removal of his office from the Department of Health's referral system, a move he said could limit assistance to patients seeking treatment in hospitals.
So yesterday, in-inform tayo ng mga kaibigan natin sa DOH na tinanggal na daw tayo sa system, so hindi na daw tayo pwedeng mag-refer ng mga gagamutin sa iba't ibang ospital. That might be the price we have to pay. And we know we don't have enough personal resources para ipagamot lahat. Pero we have enough resources to hire buses. So kung by Monday o Tuesday, DOH, hindi kayo mag-ayos, ibubus ko lahat ng kamag-anak ng pasyente para mapirmahan nyo, para mapagamot yung mga pasyente.
Cayetano questioned the decision and called on Senate President Win Gatchalian to look into the matter, stressing that public funds and medical assistance programs should never be used for political purposes.
May sakit sila, ang dami-dami yung pera, abroad ka ng abroad, Mr. Secretary. Picture ka ng picture kasama ng mga nasa vape, di ba? O, tapos, flu shots lang, hindi nyo mabid, hindi makasama. Tapos just because ang tingin mo, wala na ako ngayon sa paningin ng Malacanang, tatanggalin mo yung privilege namin.